2001.5 Audi S4 Avant. Brilliant black. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Got the either, what was it, Onyx Blue or Navarro Blue, Walkaround. 6-speed. Clean, clean, clean. Has the little gate for the dogs in the back. Just replaced the struts for the rear trunk, so they are powerful. Has a ski rack. It's a clean car. It's a little dirty. It's been raining a lot here, but it's clean. Real nice. Alright, installed a little lip front. Gives a nice feel. I got the eyebrows on for the headlights. Let me do a cold start here. It's the interior. I love these S4 Avants, but unfortunately this one is too small for me. I'm a tall guy, so I have my B5 all decked out, all types of goodies back there. My B6 rather. Alright, let's see. Nice start. Let's take a look. The center is going to be center LCD. I have the sounds good. No winding. Has a 2.0 conversion for the ignition coils. Red tops. Sounds good. Idle high. Warms up. Idles down. Turbos don't make any noise. Has a few goodies here. You can see stage 1 Unitronic. Sweet ride. Sweet. Thank you.